Saturday, July 21st, the 2-0 is cashing out. Livewire Productions presents Bases Loaded recording artist Cash Out.
Got a condo on my wrist, girl, I'm cashing out. Got a condo around my neck, girl, I'm cashing out.
Cash Out live in concert, Saturday, July 21st at San Antonio's all-new venue for live entertainment, Corova. Tickets are available online now at jobtickets.com or can be purchased at the Corova box office. Tickets will also be available at the door day of the show.
Please arrive early.
Limited space available. Doors open up at 8 p.m. and the first 50 ladies are free. That's right, the first 50 ladies free of charge. The party goes down till 3 a.m.
What it do, it's your boy Cash Out, and I will be cashing out Saturday, July 21st at Corova, downtown San Antonio, Texas. Stand up.
For event info or VIP bottle service, call 210-789-9079. This event is 18 and up only. Cash Out live Saturday, July 21st at the all-new Corova, 107 East Martin, downtown San Antonio.